Hello guys, it's your boy Yaz here. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix the controller with this piece broke. Mine's fixed because I just fixed it. But, so you got to get a screwdriver, put it right through here, do another one right through here, and then after that, this will happen. They open up. But then this will be like this. So then what you want to do is you want to put it back in there with the, like where the hole at. Make sure you do not break it. Because you break it, it's not fixable. See that hole right there? Yeah, you want to put it in from there, that part. Let me get over here now. Okay, now look better. See? It's on now. But then when you put the case on, let me show you something. You gotta make sure you line it up right. Now, smooth. And make sure y'all like and subscribe. That's just the way how to fix your controller. It works and everything. I'll push my batteries back in. It worked, and bye guys.